Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have some exciting news from the stock market. One of India's leading tire manufacturing companies, MRF, has hit a remarkable milestone. Its shares have skyrocketed to an astonishing 1 lakh rupees per share. In this video, we'll take a closer look at this incredible achievement and discuss the factors that contributed to MRF's success. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the details, let's have a quick overview of MRF. MRF, short for Madras Rubber Factory, is the largest tire manufacturer in India and ranks amongst the top global tire manufacturers as well. The company has a rich history dating back to 1946 and has become synonymous with high-quality, durable tires trusted by millions of customers. Now, let's explore the factors that led to MRF's shares hitting the monumental mark of 1 lakh rupees per share. One key factor is the company's consistent financial performance and growth trajectory. MRF has consistently delivered strong financial results over the years, with a focus on innovation, technology, and customer satisfaction. Another crucial aspect of MRF's success is its commitment to research and development. The company invests significantly in R&D to develop cutting-edge tire technologies that cater to various industries, including automotive, commercial vehicles, and two-wheelers. This commitment to innovation has enabled MRF to maintain its competitive edge and establish itself as a market leader. Furthermore, MRF's robust distribution network and strategic partnerships have played a pivotal role in its growth. The company has an extensive presence across India with a widespread network of dealers and service centers. Additionally, MRF has expanded its global footprint by establishing partnerships with international distributors, enabling it to tap into new markets and increase its market share. It's also important to note that MRF's success can be attributed to the overall growth of the automobile industry in India. As the country's economy continues to expand, the demand for automobiles and tires has risen significantly. MRF has capitalized on this growth by catering to the evolving needs of customers and providing them with high-quality products. Lastly, we cannot overlook the impact of investor confidence and market sentiment on MRF's share price. MRF has consistently maintained a strong reputation and credibility in the market, which has garnered trust from investors. This, combined with positive market sentiment, has propelled the company's share price to new heights. While MRF's achievement of hitting 1 lakh rupees per share is undoubtedly remarkable, it's essential to remember that investing in the stock market carries risks. Share prices can be subject to fluctuations based on various factors such as market conditions, industry trends, and company-specific news. And that brings us to the end of this video. We hope you found it informative and gained valuable insights into MRF's journey to 1 lakh rupees per share. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to cover any other interesting topics related to the stock market. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy investing!